Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a Korean pork belly salad. Stay tuned for the recipe. I seasoned my pork belly with salt, black pepper, onion, and garlic powder, and I'm going to cook it in my air fryer. If you don't own an air fryer, get on the wagon. It makes cooking so easy. I'll have a link down below so you can purchase your very own. And look how crispy my pork belly turned out. I'm going to use the organic sweet baby mix as my greens, but feel free to use your favorite greens for this salad. I've been missing Korean barbecue, so this is a deconstructed Korean barbecue. And now I'm just going to take my pork belly and I'm going to cut it up to pieces and place it on my baby mix greens. And it's up to you on how much greens you want to have for your salad and how much pork belly you want. But for me, I used about 3.3 ounces of the pork belly, and then I used half the container of the baby mix greens. Now you guys, this is just my take on a Korean pork belly salad based upon my experience eating Korean barbecue in LA. Yes, I used to live in LA and I miss Korean barbecue so much. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you know when I'm going to come out with another recipe. So if you're craving Korean food, especially Korean barbecue, then you must have my Keto Korean Pork Belly salad. It is amazing. For the salad dressing, I'm going to use mother-in-law's gochujang and also sesame seed oil and some water. Combine half a tablespoon of the gochujang, 1/4 teaspoon of the sesame seed oil, and about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of water. I will list the gochujang brand that I use in this recipe listed down below. And be careful with the sesame seed oil because you only need a little bit. My Korean pork belly salad came in no time. You guys have to try this recipe. It is amazing. And if you're craving Asian food, then this must be on your list to try next time. Hi you guys, so I have been editing and recording videos today and I decided to make a pork belly salad. And it's inspired of Korean barbecue. So basically I have 3 ounces of pork belly. I have some mixed baby greens, 50 grams, and I took some gochujang, about half a tablespoon with about 1 tablespoon of water and just a little tiny drop of sesame oil. And I mixed it up as my dressing. So let's go in for the taste test. Because I've been craving Korean barbecue. And for some reason, Korean food and Korean barbecue in Minnesota is super expensive versus LA. And I used to live in LA, so I definitely miss LA. Have a bite, you guys. First bite. Wait, I want you guys to see. Here, first bite. Yum. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is delicious. Pork belly salad. Amazing. Anyways, I hope you guys will give it a try. Bye.
dance.